factor tree of 200. So 200, it can be written as 2 times 100. 2 times 100 means 200. Like as 100, it can be written as 2 times 50. 2 times 50 mean 100. 50, it can be written as 2 times 25. 2 times 25 mean 50. This 25, it can be written as 5 times 5. 5 times 5 mean 25. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here are these two, like as 5. So we can write 200 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is these 2, this 2, this 2, this 5 and this 5. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.